People in different parts of the world have their own culture, customs, and religions, and people celebrate different festivals depending on these cultures, customs, and religions. The celebration of these festivals creates a joyous reunion among the people, which helps to come people closer. I would like to inform you about some of the top 5 festivals. Number 1, Eid. Muslims all over the world are celebrating Eid festival. Eid literally means a festival or feast in Arabic. There are 2 major Eids in the Islamic calendar per year. Eid al-Fitr earlier in the year and Eid al-Adha later. Eid al-Fitr is a 3-day long festival and is known as the lesser or smaller Eid when compared to Eid al-Adha, which is 4 days long and is known as the greater Eid. The 2 Eids recognize, celebrate and recall 2 distinct events that are significant to the history of Islam. Number 2, La Tomatina in Spain. Held in the Valencian town of Banul, La Tomatina is a festival where the goats throw tomatoes and create tomato fights for entertainment purposes. The tomato fights go on for a couple of hours. The festival is held on the 13th of August and begins with the crowd climbing a grease pole and climbing the ham on top. Once the ham is claimed, the legendary tomato fight starts. Number 3, Just for Laughs in Canada. Just for Laughs is a Canadian festival held in Montreal, Quebec. It is one of the biggest comedy festivals in the world. It was founded in 1983 by Montreal producer Gilbert Rozon. The Just for Laughs festival features a dozen of stand-up acts, comedy galas, themed shows, and free events. It attracts 2 million spectators every year. Number 4, Holi in India and Nepal. Holi is a Hindu festival celebrated in India and Nepal. It is known around the world as the Festival of Colors. During the festival, people celebrate the victory of the good over evil. The festival features dancing, partying, eating delicacies, and spraying colors on each other. The story behind the colors, which is colored powder called gulal, comes from the legend of Krishna. He had dark blue skin and was worried his love Radha would not accept him, so he colored her face to match his. Number 5, the Carnival of Venice in Italy. The Carnival of Venice is a festival held every year in Italy, where people wear beautiful Venetian carnival costumes. It is known worldwide for the elaborate masks. It is a huge carnival that runs for 2 weeks, and some of the events are free, some are not. The history behind the carnival was that during the 40 days of Lent, eating rich foods and drinks were banned. Therefore, people would to get their partying and eating out of the way before Lent. And that is how the idea of the carnival came from. In this way, people try to preserve their heritage and culture by celebrating various festivals. Thanks for watching.